What's up, everyone? This is day number 4 of the 12 days of Christmas holiday giveaways. Before we get into today's giveaway, we need to announce the winner of the day 2 giveaway, which was the little car wash pack that I put together. So we got the IMJOSHV Foam Cannon Pro V2, a bottle of Kokemi Gentle Snow Foam, and a Auto Fiber Amphibian XL drying towel. So I want to say thank you so much to everyone who's participating in this. The numbers are growing, so the comments were huge. At the time of me filming this, I had 991 comments on the YouTube channel on that actual specific video, and then an additional 470 comments on Instagram. Again, guys, all those comments get all accumulated together and put into a random number generator. So if you commented on both, that increases your chances of winning, so make sure you do that for today's video as well. So anyways, total is 1,461 comments. Did the random number generator, and the winner came out to be number 432 on the list, which was Loyalty Detail, and he stated that he wanted to get in on the giveaway, and he will share with his detailing buddies. So really cool there. I'm glad that you're going to get the opportunity to do that. Make sure to write me at joshv@detailersupply.com, DTLRsupply.com, and send me your information and we'll get that out to you as soon as possible. Now let's go ahead and move into the day number 4 giveaway. And this is a good one, guys. If you buy this product on Walmart, it comes to $175. This is something that I used in a past video. I actually did not use it. I just used it to compare to another unit. And that is this guy here, the Bissell Spot Clean Pro pet version, because that was what I had available to me at the time. Same as the Bissell Spot Clean Pro, just with some different attachments. Fantastic little spot cleaner extractor. Phenomenal value. This thing works great. Is it the best extractor out there? No. Is it a fantastic extractor for at-home use for spot cleaning and also for getting into your detailing? Absolutely. It's phenomenal. I'm sure you've seen people like the Detail Geek YouTube channel use this thing and do phenomenal transformations on disaster details. So really good unit. All you have to do to win this thing, again, guys, just like before, make sure to comment on this video down below, and then go over to my Instagram. I'll post a picture of myself with this unit and comment on that as well. Again, I'll accumulate all those comments, put them in a random number generator, and pick a winner. And guys, big disclaimer here. Please pay attention to this. Every time I do a giveaway, this happens every single time. Scammers get involved in the comments below. They'll have my picture, like my normal YouTube picture, but it'll say like, text me at Telegram or something like that, and it'll say, hey, you won, or hey, let us know, write us, and you won something, I have something for you. Those are fake. I will only announce the winner on camera, and then I will reach out to you directly through that. But please don't fall for it. Usually what they do is they say you won, but send us X amount of dollars for shipping. No shipping is going to be asked for by me. This will be sent out to you completely free, including the shipping, so you don't have to worry about that. So don't fall for the scams. Now let's get back to it. So good luck to all of you. Again, we'll be back tomorrow with another giveaway, and then we will be announcing the winner of the Cerakote whole pack kit that we're giving away as well. So make sure to tune in for that. You do also have to be subscribed to the channel, and you have to be in the US for shipping purposes. So that's it, guys. I hope that video helps you. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we will see you tomorrow with another giveaway.